Well, hello there, naturalistas. It's your girl Kelly. I know it's been a long time since I've made a video. I've been through a lot. I'll explain a little later. But I just wanted to show you real quick something new that I just found. It's a company called You Go Natural, and they do all sorts of different kinds of head wraps. And I just purchased one, and I just washed my hair, and I need to run out, so I decided to try this out. I've never used this before, so this is kind of a tutorial, but I didn't know what I was doing, so I just want you to see what it looks like. This is I forgot what it's called, but it's the one where it's open on the top, and it looks like I just showed you the things that look like sleeves. So I'm just gonna show you what this looks like, kind of, sort of. Again, I just got this. I've never wrapped my hair with it before, but I just washed and conditioned my hair, and it's still wet, but I have to run out and run errands, so I had to look kind of cute. I'm not even putting on makeup because I have to rush out. But I want to show you this thing because I think it's going to be like super cute, and it's a way to air dry your hair, because my hair is still going to be out somewhat by the time I finish with this, since it's open at the top. So yeah, it's been a long time since I've seen you all, or since you all have seen me, I should say. To be completely transparent here, I had 2 deaths. Ooh, okay, yeah, I messed up there. I had 2 deaths in the family. My mother and my father passed away 3 days apart from each other. And I've been through a lot. And then a month after they died, I got the coronavirus, but I had a very, very mild case of it. And then about a month after that, we had those really bad winter storms here in Texas, and we put up 6 people because we still had electricity and everything. But it's been crazy, and I'm working on my PhD, and I have a new job. I'm working as a doctoral research assistant, and there's been family drama. It's been a lot, so I'm doing things to take care of myself, and using this You Go Natural head wrap is one of the ways that I'm taking care of myself, even when I don't have enough time to fully style my hair and let it dry. This is a great way to do it. And as you can see, I'm figuring it out. I still have hair caught up in there, so I'm like I'm pulling some of the hair out. I normally never wear head wraps anyway, so it's a miracle that I got this far. I always just wear my hair out, either twisted or untwisted. But yeah, this is a great way to just air dry your hair while still looking cute. I probably will put on makeup later, but I don't feel like it. I mean, why not? I'm still cute, right? And even if I wasn't, sometimes you just don't feel like putting on makeup. Okay. So I'm just putting my hair, I'm just like tucking it in the back of the head wrap there, and just kind of repositioning it. I think I would need a little bit more height, so I'm gonna kind of puff up my hair a little bit there. And yeah, I think I'm about done. But yeah, isn't that cute? Okay, I can do this. I might, even when I untwist my hair later. Oh, I was trying to get that baby hair thing going on. I'm too old for that. I have edges. I'm gonna keep it that way. Bump that. But anyway, yeah, just want you guys to know what that was. All right, see ya. Boy.